Hello, children. Welcome back to the class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, and enjoying the lessons. Okay? Now tell me, in the previous class, what did we learn? Yes, we learned about the food, the different food habits of the animals and the human beings. Yes, the people who belongs from the different places have the different food habits, and all the animals have the different food habits. Yes, all these animals will not eat the same food, not people also. And according to the age, our food habits also will change. Yes, our grandparents and infants eat soft food. Okay, these all things we learned in the previous lesson. No? Now, today we are going to do the journey of a village. You'll think that journey means where we are going. We are not coming out from the houses. Then how teacher is saying that we are going on a journey? Yes? You all are thinking about it, no? But by this lesson only, we are going to do the journey of a village. Let's start the lesson. Okay? So all of you take out the page number 78 of your textbook and take the lesson number 9, our village. Fast, you have to take your EVS books, take out the 9th lesson, our village, page number 78. All have opened? Let's we start. Okay, now see here, all of you. One colorful picture is here given. How beautiful this picture is. See, looking. Can you tell me what picture it is? No. Here it is a picture of a village. It is a picture of a village. What you can see here in this picture? What are there? Yes, there is a one tree. Under that tree some men are sitting. Some people are cut the grass for the animals they are taking to the home. One kacha road is here. One bullock cart is going here. And here it is a hand pump. Yes, one small houses means this kacha houses. Here some buildings are looking. Here are some huts. Here it is a cow under the tree. No? And here it is a school where the children are going to school. You all are missing your school, no children? Isn't it? You all are missing, no? That's why we are teaching you in the phones. Okay. Now, see here, this is a picture of a village which tells us more. What it is telling us? Here we can see that in our village also some people they come and sit under the trees. Animals are moving from here and there. No? Like that. Here today we are going to do the journey of a village. Now let's see which village it is. It is looking so beautiful, no? Now, okay, let's start the lesson. This is the village is called Rangapuram. Which village it is? Yes, it is a Rangapuram village. Rangapuram is surrounded by small hills. Means this is the village of Rangapuram. And this village is surrounded by hills. Okay, so around this village there are the small hills. Okay, around this village what are there? Small hills. So this is the village is a Rangapuram. A river flows nearby. What is flows there in their village? River, Nadi. The river is the only source of water to the village. Now, where do we get water from? Yes, we need water for doing many works. Yes, for drinking, for washing clothes, for washing the cooking utensils, bathing, and many more other works in the fields. Yes, so water we need. We need water. And the people who are living in the Rangapuram village, what is their source of the water? The river which flows nearby their village. Okay. The houses are side by side in the village. Now see in this picture you can see how these houses are side by side. Side by side these houses are pakka pakka ne unnayi kada. So like that. Here the houses are side by side in the village. There is a water tank and water is provided through taps. See in this village they have one water tank also through which the water is supplied to the houses. Through what? Through the taps. Okay. The village is inhabited by different artisans. So this village is inhabited by the different artisans. Now let's observe at the picture of Rangapuram. So this is the place of what? This is the village is Rangapuram. Now let's see again what are there in the Rangapuram. Do they have all the facilities in their village? No. Like we have what we have in our villages? Yes, we have school, post office, railway stations, primary health sub center. Like that some institutions we have in our village. Yes, when we fall sick we go to the hospital. No? If you want to travel from one place to another, what we use? We use auto or bus or train. That facility also we have in our village. But see, this is the Rangapuram is a small village which is surrounded by the small hills. So these people have all these facilities in their village. That we have to see. Okay, now all of you turn the page. Okay, this is the inside view of the Rangapuram. How nice it is looking, no? See, these are the hills. Okay, see here are these fields. What it is? It is a mosque, means the Muslims go to the masjid. Yes, it is called mosque. It is a church. It is a temple. Wow, how nice picture it is. See here. No, colorful picture. Okay, have the look here. You have seen how the village Rangapuram is in the picture. Observe the picture given below and say what else is there in Rangapuram. In the previous picture we saw in the previous page we saw one picture. Yes, what was there? We saw there some houses are there, small kacha road, one bullock cart, one school. No, some people are sitting under the tree. No, we have seen all these things. No, now tell me the difference about that picture and this picture. Here are the more things. No, here it is a building, here it is a street light, mosque, here also is a one street light. Okay, here it is a one temple, church, school. These are there in the Rangapuram. It is the inside view of the Rangapuram. Now here they asked us one question. What is that? See, name the things which are there in Rangapuram village. Here they asked us what are things are there in the Rangapuram. Yes, we can see here. See, there are the places of worship. Which are that? Temple, church, mosque. Yes, street lights are there. School is there. And see here, these are the fields. Okay, these all things are there in the Rangapuram. One bullock cart is there, auto is there. No, what else are there in your village? See, all things are there in Rangapuram. Now in our village, what we have? Just imagine. Okay, now let's calm down. See here, In Rangapuram village there are streets. Streets means roads. Different types of houses. How do we have the different types of houses in our village? There are some pakka houses and kacha houses also. No, some buildings are there and some thatched houses are there in our village also. So here also in Rangapuram village they also have the different types of houses. Again, what else are there in Rangapuram? There is Gram Panchayat, veterinary hospital, school, primary health sub-center, post office and telegraph office, temple, mosque and church. See, these all things are there in Rangapuram. Okay, Gram Panchayat is there, veterinary hospital. Veterinary hospital means here the cattle are taken for the treatment. జంతువులకి తీసుకెళ్ళిన హాస్పిటల్. School is there, primary health sub-center means hospital, post and telegraph office is there, temple, mosque and church. These places of worship also are there. Do you know about these institutions? What for they work? Now you can tell me, what does this Gram Panchayat work for us? This veterinary hospital, school. School means we go to school for studying. Yes, primary health sub-center, post office, mosque, temple, church. How these institutions work for us? Everybody wants to know that? You are all interested to learn this, no? Okay, then we will start now. Okay, so at first we will see Gram Panchayat office or village secretariat. Okay, this is Rangapuram's Gram Panchayat office. See here, have the look. What it is? This is the Gram Panchayat office. Where it is? It is in Rangapuram village. What this office work for us? Just see. The members of Gram Panchayat do many works. See, the Gram Panchayat members do many works. What works they do for us? Like supplying water. See, in our houses water comes at the morning through the pipes, through taps, to the taps, no? So that water comes, supplies this water from the members of the Gram Panchayat, cleaning the drains and streets. If these people don't do this works, what will happen? Okay, Gram Panchayat members, if they don't clean the drains, if they don't clean the streets, what will happen? Everywhere we'll see dirty only, all papers, bottle, plastic bottles, everywhere dirty, dirt. Yes. So maintaining streets, street lights also, these people, the street lights also, they see every evening. These Gram Panchayat members, they switch on the street lights. Okay, so this Gram Panchayat members do many works for us. Yes, what type of work they are doing? They are supplying water to our houses, cleaning the drains and the streets, maintaining the street lights. Okay, so in our village also we have Gram Panchayat, no? This all works they are doing, yes, for us. Okay, now all understood what does the Gram Panchayat work for us? Yes. Okay, now come to the page number 80. See here on page number 80 what picture it is. One here, what it is looking red color? It is a post box in which we send our letters. So this is a post office. Which office it is? Post office. Now we will see how this post office help for us. Okay, this one also is one of the institution. Now see here, post and telegraph office, post office. This is post and telegraph office. This is the post and telegraph office. We post letters and save money, do life insurance, etc. through this office. So what we are doing, children? How this is helpful for us? See, in the post office, we can send the letters to our relatives or to our friends, and also we can save our money. We can save our money in the post office. We can do our life insurance also. In what? Through the post office. So, understood, children? What does this post office work for us? Yes, we can post the letters in post office. We can save our money, and also we can do our life insurance. Okay. See, children, here they asked, have you seen the post office of your village? In our village we have post office, no children? Where it is? Yes, it is straight. If we go left from our school, in the right side we have one post office, no? Yes, so in our village also we have post office. Okay. Now see here, the next institution, what it is? Primary health center. See here, it is a symbol of plus, means it is a hospital. Okay. Primary health center. In what way it works for us? See, there is a primary health center in the village with a doctor and few health workers. See here, this is a small primary health sub-center. In this, one doctor will be there and few health workers, okay, who works under a doctor. The health workers create awareness of health and hygiene among the villagers. See here, this health workers create awareness of the health. They tell us the good points about the health and hygiene among the villagers. Conduct pulse polio programs and give medicines to the treat minor illness and etc. See, they give us the treatment for the minor, like suppose if we are suffering from fever, cold, if we have any body pains, like that small minor treatments are given in the primary health center. Okay, so we also have here primary health sub center, no, in our village. So here this institution also is present in Rangapuram village. And what program they are conducting here? Pulse polio. You know pulse polio? If you have any small brother or sister, your parents take them for the polio drops. Yes. So this type of pulse polio programs also are conducted in the primary health center. Okay, all of you? So what you understood, that what is there in the Rangapuram village? Gram Panchayat is there, post office is there, and a primary health center. Okay, next again, what institution is there? See here, veterinary hospital. Veterinary hospital means what? Where the cattle are taken for the treatment. How we have the hospital here? Here we go when we suffer from the illness. మనకు జ్వరం వస్తే మనం హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్తాం కదా. Like that, if anything happens to the animals, also have the hospital where for the animals are taken to the hospital if they fall sick. That hospital is called veterinary hospital. Okay, so let's see about the veterinary hospital. We go to the hospital when we suffer from illness. Okay, when we suffer from illness, we go to hospital. In the same way, the cattle is taken to the veterinary hospital. If anything happens, if the cattle also are suffering from the illness, they are also taken to the hospital for the treatment. Yes, so that hospital only is called the veterinary hospital. Understood all of you the difference between primary health center and the veterinary hospital? Here in the primary health center, the human beings, we go, and here in the veterinary hospital, the cattle are taken for the treatment. Understood, children? Okay. Next, the one more institution which is there in the Rangapuram. What is that? See here on the picture. Name is given Government Bank. What it is? It is a bank. Do we have bank in our village? Yes, we also have the bank, no? Dekkana Grameen Bank, SBI Bank, These banks are there in our villages. Yes. So here in the Rangapuram village they have the bank also. So what this bank is helpful for us? There is a Gramina bank in Rangapuram as the population of the village is high. See, Rangapuram village population is very high. So here they have the Gramina bank also. People save their money in the bank. See, just above we saw the post office where the people can save their money. Here in the banks also people can save their money. Okay. The bank gives loans to the villagers for their needs. Here the bank gives loans also for their needs. Suppose there are the farmers, they also take the loans to grow the crops for the seeds. Home loans also, if we are going to construct a new house, if we want to loan, then we go to the bank. So in our needs, bank gives loans to the villagers. Okay, they return the money to the bank in installments. Now they have taken that money, loan, yes, for constructing a new house, for buying the seeds. Farmers take for the agricultural works, yes, they take the loans. And like us people, we take the loans for constructing a house or for studies, higher studies, like that. For many purposes we take the loans from the bank. But after taking that loan, we have to return it. Yes, we have to return it, no? See, in the classroom, when you need a pen or pencil, if your pen is finished, ink is finished in your pen, what will you do? You will take it from your friend. Yes. Then after finished your work, what will you do? You will return it to your friend, no? So, in the same way, here also, when we need money, bank gives that money. It is called loan. So when bank is giving loan, means money to us, we have to return it to the bank, no? And this money, this loan, they return in installments. Installments means what? How you pay the fees in our school fees in installment? 3 installments you have, no? First installment, second installment, third installment. Like that here, the people of the villagers, when they take the loans from the banks, they return this money in installments. Means monthly they will return slowly some amount to the bank. Understood, children? So this bank is helpful for us. People save their money in the bank. The bank also gives loans to the people in their needs. And the people who have taken the loans from the bank, they will return it to the bank in installments. So all understood, children? How this bank helpful for us? This veterinary hospital, this primary health center, post office and gram panchayat. Okay, these all institutions are there in the Rangapuram village. So all of you understood? There are some institutions which are there in the Rangapuram that we will see in our next class. Okay, children? Now till here you have to read the lesson and see that these different institutions, what they work for us. Okay, in today's class we have seen about the gram panchayat, post office, hospital, veterinary hospital and bank, how they helpful for us. And there are some more institutions which are there in the Rangapuram that we will see in our next class. I hope you all understood the lesson. Read it well and underline the words which you feel the difficult and learn them. Okay, children?